Imagine having knee pain for every day, a pain that even makes simple movements difficult. And now, imagine having this pain for decades. For millions, it's reality. But I'm here today to present a solution to take away that pain. I want you to meet Mark. He's a former pro soccer player who had to end his career early because of a meniscus injury. He had surgery, but despite the surgery, the pain persisted. And Lisa, who is a 35-year-old school teacher, shares a similar story. She had a meniscus surgery, but her pain never went away. And Mark and Lisa are not alone. 18% of people who continue to suffer from knee pain after meniscus surgery. And without any better solutions, Lisa has to endure another 30 years of living in this pain until she's 65 years old and eligible for knee replacement surgery. So my name is Anita Brinks, and I'm here to introduce a solution that can change the lives of Mark, Lisa, and countless others. 1.2 million people get meniscus surgery every year across Europe and America, hoping to be free from knee pain. But for over 200,000 of these patients, the reality is far different. And they often have no choice but to change their careers and to quit the sports they love. And there are treatments like pain medication and physical therapy, but that offers only a short-term relief. And then surgical options, well, there is transplant surgery. However, that's only available for less than 5% of people affected and also has a high risk for additional surgery. So let me introduce you to Artimis. This is the implant. And what makes Artimis so remarkable? Well, first, it's available just off the shelf, so no more waiting for the right donor. But that's not all. Artimis reduces surgery time by an impressive 50% compared to transplant surgery. So it's not just another treatment option, but it's a revolutionary solution that makes surgery more efficient, more affordable, and more accessible. And Artimis nearly cuts recovery time in half compared to current surgical options. And perhaps even more impressive, pain is greatly reduced after just 6 weeks. So that's a transformation for patients like Lisa that can go back to work much sooner than with any other option. So Artimis is protected with 6 patents, and we have FDA breakthrough device designation. The procedure is straightforward for surgeons to adapt with a clear and recognizable indication for use. At ATRO, we are pioneering a range of innovative meniscus solutions. And our priority project is the medial meniscus, so the inner side of the knee. But we're also working on the lateral side, the outer side of the knee, allowing us to treat a wider range of patients. And because every patient is unique, we're also developing a personalized meniscus solution. So we are now in our second clinical trial. We have 14 patients implanted with our meniscus, and 5 of them have reached 2-year follow-up. We are measuring success in KOOS pain score, which assesses pain and knee function. And what we see in our results is that we have significant improvement in pain scores, and patients reach levels similar to those with healthy, pain-free individuals. So that is the 85 points that you see over there. That's similar to what normal, healthy people have, and that's what we score after 2 years. So in knee surgery, even a 10-point improvement is considered a meaningful difference to patients. And we don't just achieve that, we achieve 34 points improvement. So it's really a huge impact on patients. So our meniscus not only alleviates pain and restores mobility, but it really has superior outcome compared to other surgical options. But how interesting is this market? Well, we are entering a blue ocean market, completely untapped. We are the first to come with a solution. By initially focusing on the existing transplant patients, we anticipate a 5-fold expansion of the market. And in the longer term, with market expansion and additional indications, we can reach project turnover to exceed $900 million annually. So where are we in entering the market? Well, we want to be the first on the market with an artificial meniscus. Our strategy is to go to the US first, as there is the huge opportunity. And we already have a strong network in place over there, and our FDA approval process is on track. And we will initially target the private market, with other markets soon to follow. So here's our study roadmap, highlighting key value inflection points. We are currently performing our AIR2 study and preparing for the AIR 2.1 confirmatory study to start later this year. And in the meantime, we are also working on our IDE approval and preparing for the pivotal study for the required regulatory approval. As we get our data and secure IDE approval, we will reach several important value inflection points along the way. So we are actively seeking an investor to join us on this journey. We are now extending our Series A and are preparing for a larger Series B investment. But who are we? We are a dedicated team of 9, all with extensive experience in Medtech. Our MT consists of Maarten van der Zanden, our Chief Implementation Officer, Tony van Tienen, who is our founder and orthopedic surgeon who founded the company in 2016, and me, Anita Brinks. I'm COO and ensuring that our vision becomes reality. We are backed by an international scientific advisory board composed of leaders in meniscus research and surgery. And Scott Rodeo, he's recognized NFL Doctor of the Year, is one of the key advisors, and he makes sure that no athlete has to endure the challenges that Mark faced. And we are also happy to have Andy Wayman, who is also present here today, as one of our advisors. He is the former CMO of Smith & Nephew and brings an extensive experience to our company. We collaborate with numerous national and international organizations to bring solutions to the market for patients like Mark and Lisa. So to summarize, we offer a unique de-risk product that stands apart in the market. There's a proven market need addressing significant unmet demand. Our regular pathway is clear, and FDA approval is anticipated within 5 years. We are a highly experienced team with a strong network of partners ensuring success all the steps on the way. So thank you for your time today. I would like to invite you to connect and see how we can work together to bring Artimis to patients in need. So my name is Anita Brinks. Here are my contact details, so feel free to grab me during lunch or dinner, and well, let's see and look forward to talking to you.